Hi, welcome to this Columbus AX Anywhere Logistics product video. AX Anywhere Logistics is a mobile solution for Microsoft Dynamics AX that supports the most common processes in your warehouse. AX Anywhere Logistics helps you to increase the productivity of warehouse workers and processes by replacing inefficient and paper-based activities. Reduce costs and save time by efficiently processing each transaction as it happens. Ensure uncompromised accuracy by letting workers scan and check items at the time of a transaction. In this product demonstration, we will show you how to receive goods in the warehouse using AX Anywhere Logistics. On the left-hand side, you see AX 2012. I have created a purchase order called 148 for Candle & Co. Company with one line item with the item AZ106 100 pieces. On the right-hand side, you see a mobile device, which I'll now log on to. And I'll just log on with my mobile ID and password, and it will take me into this overview. You see my receipt journal. So I'm just going to press that button, and I will be taken straight into the receipt journal area, where the first thing I will do is scan the location of where I'm standing. So now let's imagine that you see a truck backing up towards your warehouse, and you can see that it's actually backing up towards the inbound dock door number 1. So if I have a barcode at that dock door, I can simply scan that barcode and it will automatically enter this, IN01. Which means inbound dock door number 1, and it will also automatically press the button OK. I'm going to type in everything here because this way you can see what is going on. As soon as I've done this, I will be taken to the next screen where I can find the right purchase order that I'm going to work with. I can do that either by getting a list of vendors, or I can simply press this scan item and then it will filter down to the purchase order, or a number of purchase orders where this item is part of. In this case, I'm just going to press the list, and I can see here this is all vendor purchase orders for Candle & Co. Company, and I can see my PO number 148 down here. So I'm just going to click on the screen with my finger and press OK, and me showing that I've now selected this purchase order, and I am ready to type in the packing slip ID. I look at the packing slip ID from the vendor, and I can see that the ID number is this. I press OK, and I confirm that it's today's date, that I want to do goods receipt. And now I'm basically ready to start scanning the items. I can click a list and get an overview of the different items that I'm supposed to receive on this purchase order. In this case, there's just one item, which we can also see inside of AX. It comes up and says that there's 100 pieces on our order to receive 100, and I have received 0 at this point of time. So again, I can simply scan the barcode of the item, or I, in this case, can highlight the item line and press OK. And then I'm taken to the next screen, where it comes up and says that this is an item called Box of 3 Flowers. So every time I press one of these buttons, it goes into AX, and in real time validates that I'm doing the right thing. If I'm not doing the correct thing, then it will give me an error message that comes straight in from AX. In this case, it comes up and says, you have an order of 100. You have received 0 at this point of time. So let's say that in the first box are 60 pieces. And as soon as I press enter, it will register the 60 pieces in real time inside of AX. So I scan the barcode of AZ106 because I'm downloading the next box, and I can now see that it has already received 60, and I have 40 remaining. If I try to type in 50, then in this case, we have set up a rule inside of AX that I'm only allowed to receive the quantity that I have ordered, meaning that it says you're only allowed to receive 100, and you have already received 60. So when I type in 50, it will give me this error message. And I realize that I have done a typo. and so I enter 40, and it will just accept this. If I click on the list, I can see that it says that I've received 100. To receive is 0, so there's no more missing to be received. And I will then press Finish, and the status of the order inside of AX will change from Open Order to Received. So let's refresh AX, and we now see that it says Received. This ends the product demonstration. For additional videos or more information, please visit www.columbusglobal.com.